Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the annoying press and hold button not working issue on Walmart's app or website. Whether you are trying to check out or verify your order and the button won't respond, don't worry, we have got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to go for the most common fix. If you are using a web browser, I want you to go to the three dots icon, especially if you are using Google Chrome, and I want you to go to the settings. Now, we need to clear the cache and cookies. In the left side area of the navigation, I want you to click the privacy and security and hover to the option that says delete browsing data. And from here, you can simply delete history, cookies, and more. And this often fixes loading or any button glitches. You can choose from all time, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. So that's one way. And I want you to click the delete data button. After that, try to restart your browser to see if that works. Another option that you can look into is by using another browser. So right now I am using Brave browser. So the Walmart website is working. If it's not working for you, you might want to try like Firefox, Microsoft Edge. And another option that you can look into is make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Or website needs a strong connection for that verification button to respond properly. And if you are using any third-party VPN, you might want to try to disable that for now because that could interfere with the connection here in Walmart. Now, if all else fails, the last thing that you can look into is go to the help.walmart.com and of course contact the support center. Report the issue because they might be having temporary site maintenance or server updates. And basically that's it for today's video. Now you know how to fix the press and hold button not working issue on Walmart. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.